Hello everyone, my name is Sung-Young Lee. Welcome to the Biotech 100 and the Biotech 101 course. Here I'm giving you a short introduction through this video. It's about the course format and how your grades will be determined and what kind of course tasks you need to carry out throughout the semester to be able to complete the course successfully. I certainly hope this introduction will help you to better understand the course so you can be all successful in this course. When you log into your Ivy Learn, the learning management system, you will be able to find your course, especially this Biotech 100 or Biotech 101 course. The course shell will look like this. So you can see from the home screen the course title, instructor's information, my name, and contact information. So if you have any need to contact me, please feel free to call me or email me. And some other options just like course information, the link here, and 10 different modules that you will have to master through this semester. If you are taking this course as the Biotech 101 course, then you will have a lab portion which will have the link to the lab under there. So that may be the only difference. Okay, let's get started. Please click on that important course information section. And it'll navigate to a different page where you can find this information. So there's a link to the syllabus, course syllabus. If you click on that, it'll download the course syllabus in a Word format. If you successfully download it, I'm sure you can bring it up. Sorry, I'm having a little technical difficulty here. So I'm going to bring that syllabus screen here to the screen capture. Okay, this is the course syllabus. Yeah, so the course title, again, my personal information is there. This semester, this is my office hour, Monday through Thursday, 8:30 till 10:30 in the morning. But if you cannot utilize those office hours, you can set up an appointment through email or phone call. I will make myself available for your appointment. And then my supervisor's information here. And then, I'm sorry, I'm going to bring it up as a full screen. Okay, that should be better. Okay, let me capture that again. Okay, sorry. So, here's the general information about the course content, learning objectives, all those good information. And then, the textbook information right here. So you can purchase this textbook from the Ivy Tech bookstore or some other sources like Amazon or different web-based sources. And then other college policies or course policies, of course. If you're taking this course, this is an online course. Unfortunately, we are not meeting face-to-face. Okay, so the most of the coursework should be carried out through online format. Okay. So I'm sure you're interested in how your final course grade will be determined. Here is the information about that. So basically you can earn up to, let's see, 550 points throughout various types of course activities. Okay, there are about 10 different levels of course activities in the course. Each level will give you various opportunities to make up different course points. Some of those are called as level up activities, and some of those are called as the leaderboard points, which are the points that you can earn by going through all those quest assignments. Those activities will give you up to 350 points total. And then there will be 2 proctored exams throughout the semester. So each exam will give you up to 100 points. So the total points you can earn is up to 550 points. Okay, so attendance policies and other important information. First of all, your due date for the withdrawal. So if you have to withdraw from the course, the deadline for that is April 14th this semester. Make sure you understand that. And then, like I told you, there will be 10 different levels of course activities throughout the semester. Each level course activity will have a set deadline. For example, the level 1 activity should be completed by January 28th. unless you're not going to make any points out of that activity. And then level 2 all the way up to level 10 activities, they all have different due dates. So make sure you understand those different due dates and complete all those course tasks to earn the best points possible. I'd like to make sure that you understand that completing the first level 1 activity is really important, because Ivy Tech has that policy. If you do not attend your class during the first week of the semester, you will be automatically dropped. Therefore, you have to complete the first 2 weeks of the assignments. Since our course is the online course, I don't get to see you, but I can check your participation by seeing the completed work through the level 1 activity. So make sure you complete the level 1 activity by January 28th, unless you may be dropped from the course automatically. Another important information is your exams. One of your 2 exams will be a proctored exam, which means you have to set up a testing site. Ivy Tech different campuses have different testing centers. For example, Ivy Tech Bloomington has a testing center at the main building. You will have to set up your testing on this testing date. Actually, it should be before that testing date. Your midterm will be available between these 2 dates, February 26th through March 9th. During that time, you will have to visit a testing center and take your test. If you are taking this course from different Ivy Tech regional campuses, I'm sure your regional campus where you are taking the course from will have a testing center. You can take your test from your regional campus testing center. That should be fine. However, if you are planning to leave the state during the testing date and you cannot come back during that 2 weeks of period, which will not be likely, but if that is the case, you can take your test out of state. If you can arrange your proctoring service through this ProctorU company. But I need to tell you that there may be some fees associated with that service. So if you have to take your test out of state, that is the only way of doing that. You can look at the rest of the course policies by skimming through the course syllabus. Okay, I'm not going to cover all of those information. I'll leave it up to you. So now I'm back to the Canvas course screen. So we are on that important course information page. So your course syllabus could be downloaded from that link right there, and then my orientation video will be posted right there. You can click on that. It should be posted through the YouTube website. And then if you want to check out the important course assignments throughout the semester, the list of the important course assignments are available through that link. You can click there and download the list. Also, the grade tracking form is available through the website. The link right here. You can use that to check your grade. And then the schedule for the course, all those 10 level activities with their due dates. The table is also listed right here, just as it was listed on your course syllabus. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the home screen again. There, so we are back to the home screen. If you scroll down, you can find these 10 different course modules or course levels right there. So if you click any of those levels, for example, level 1 activities, you will be able to visit different web pages. So from those different Canvas web pages, you will get access to the various types of course activities that you are supposed to go through. For example, the level 1. The topic of the level 1 activity is Biotechnology Novice. So by going through this level 1 activity, you will learn about the biotechnology, most important definitions, what the word means, and how this biotechnology is carried out. So here's a list of the level 1 activity goals. You'll understand what biotechnology is. And then below that, you will see something called quests. Quests are course activities that you have to go through. For example, this level 1 has 1, 2, 3 different quests. I need to tell you that this course is originally developed by Professor Sarah Cody. She developed the course very uniquely, so in a way this course is just like a game. So this quest activity will require to go through some kind of gaming performances. Some of those performances will be asking you to answer multiple questions, or some of the quests may ask you to write up some documents and upload documents so I can read those documents and grade your writings. So by completing those various types of quest activities, you can earn so many points. For example, this quest 1, you can earn up to 60 points. That's a part A. The part B, you can earn up to 40 points. So total 100 points you can earn from the quest 1 activity. Quest 2 and quest 3, you can also earn up to like 600 points. So these are the examples of the quest activities. So I'm back to the home screen again. So we just took a look at the level 1 module. If you look at the level 2 module, it's pretty much the same format. Oops, unfortunately I have not unlocked this level 2 activity yet. So I'll have to go back and unlock from my Canvas access. So let's go back to the home screen again. So, like I mentioned, there are 10 different levels of activities. So by completing all those activities, you can earn up to 550 points. That's how you can be successful through this course. Well, I'm sure this is a short video, so it's not really comprehensive, but I'm just giving you really basic information about this Canvas course shell. Another important part of the Canvas course shell, of course, the grade section. If you click on it, you can continuously check your performance throughout the semester. For example, the level 1 activity, quest 1A, out of 60 points, your own score will be entered there. So I'll be grading your work weekly and entering those scores so you can check your performance score throughout the semester from the grade section of your Canvas. You can see all those right here. Okay. And then if you go back to the home screen, or if you just click on that announcement section, okay, and to tell you that announcement section is also important. For example, right now I made one welcome announcement here already. So if you click on that, okay, that's my picture. So there's the information about the course. I will be making weekly announcements throughout the semester. So please make sure you visit this announcement page to get important information from me. Okay, and then if you go back to the home page, you can see the screen again. Okay, another important section, if you click on the discussions part, okay, you may be asked to post some information right there. Let me see, student forum. Okay, some information about how you go about doing or making posts on this forum. That's posted. I'll go back to the discussion section. And the level 1 quest B activity will be carried out on the discussion section. Actually, it's about making a short introduction about yourself. So you'll have to write up and post your information right there. So you can earn some points by posting some information here. So please check this discussion section continuously. You may have to do some activities through this section. I think that's mostly it for just the fundamental parts of this Canvas course shell. Of course, if you have any questions, you can call me or email me anytime. Just one way of emailing directly from this Canvas course shell is by clicking on this